Hello, me Dr. Narendra Gupta welcome you all to my homeopathic channel. You can also subscribe my Hindi channel Enlightened Homeopathy by Dr. Narendra Gupta. Today I am going to present with you a very simple case of rare remedy. A girl 15 years age came to me complaining of profuse menstrual bleeding for last 20 days. This is unusual. Normally, menses stops after 3, 4 days, 5 days. So she is an old patient of mine. Occasionally, she takes medicine from me for her minor ailment like cough, cold, etc. Her whole family takes medicine from me. So she was sent by her mother because she had to go somewhere away from her home. So hesitatingly, in a very low pitched voice, she started telling about her complaint. Though I was alone in the clinic, she and me both were there in the clinic, still she was hesitating to tell all her complaint to me. Patient says, my bleeding is now stopping for last 20 days, uncle. It is very profuse. So as if she was dying while telling the sickness. Then I asked, why did you not take any medicine since then? What has happened now? Patient says, she said hesitatingly, because of this I am not able to study and my examinations are very near, so I have to come to you for taking medicine. She was not looking at my face, but she was looking on the ground and her voice was very low pitched. That was hardly audible to me, though she was sitting very near to me, as if she was very much hesitant to talk to me about this subject. I keep on lying in the bed because of the bleeding. So she did not come. Note, I took the symptom and converted them into rubric just on the face value of narration without giving any heed to her gestures. I took following rubric. Business talks of, as she was talking about her examination, so I took this as a business talks of. Bed remains in bed, desires to, as she herself told that I keep on lying in the bed because of the bleeding. So this was just a mechanical conversion of patient say into rubrics. So indifference, apathy, suffering too. So as she did not take any medicine for 20 days, so I prescribed Hyoscyamus 3 doses, but it did not produce any effect. Next day her mother brought her to me with the same complaint. So this is the drawback of converting mechanically the words by word into rubric form. So we should try to analyze what does the patient want to convey to you, what is the feel of the inpatient's mind. The mother told that she, the patient, was not willing to come to you because she is too ashamed to talk about this problem. Yesterday I forced her to go to you. This feeling of embarrassed and ashamed was very much evident from a gesture, as she was not looking at me and was talking on a very low pitched voice hesitantly, but I did not pay any heed to it. I did not notice it. She was just looking on the ground and telling her problem in a very low tone, as if was forcing herself to speak. So this gesture amounted to the feeling of being embarrassed, but I failed to interpret it. At home, the mother is telling, at home she always wants me to sit with her so that she can get the necessary help, because she is afraid that her father may not call her for some work. Then how will she go there, as bleeding was too much? It just flows and falls on the ground, and then he also will come to know about her condition, which she does not like to let him know, as she feels very much ashamed. So, but there is nothing is ashamed. This is a normal process. This is a disease process. Disease in her. Anybody can fall sick. She keeps me with her so that I can save her by making some kind of excuse. When she goes to bathroom for washing, she takes lot of time there. In the meantime, if her brother wants to use the bathroom, He starts shouting at her, "What are you doing inside? Why are you taking such a long time? Come out quickly, I have to go inside." So she can't tell him about all her conditions, so she wants me to keep him away from the bathroom during that period. When she goes to bathroom, she wants me to keep her brother and father away from the way to bathroom because if the blood falls on the ground, they will come to know about her condition, which will be very embarrassing to her. Whole night she remained awake in the bed and did not change the side, but remained lying on her back so that blood may not spoil the beddings. The bleeding was too profuse. If the bed got spoiled, both of them, father and brother, will come to know about her condition. Now she was very much embarrassed because of bleeding, so she had been making all her effort not to let her brother and father come to know about the bleeding. Though menstrual flow is very natural phenomena and every lady and there is no reason to feel embarrassed because of this, even if there is any abnormality in the menses. One should not feel embarrassed and try to hide it from others. This abnormality is a disease like any other disease, so it should be treated as any other disease. But this girl was very much embarrassed because of the bleeding, so this is an abnormal state of mind, morbid state of mind. So this feeling was given more importance now and converted into rubric. Now I could feel the patient. Company, embarrassed in company. Company, aversion to strangers, aversion to the presence of strangers, stool during. Delusion, clear, everything is too clear. Delusion, light is equal to brightness. Too much light in the room on falling asleep. Fear, approaching of others of. Light, aversion to light, shuns light. Timidity, bashful. Timidity, public, about appearing in public. Timidity, company. There are few rubrics on the basis of which I gave Ambra Gracia 33 doses followed by our routine remedy. Next day her bleeding was under control, so she did not force her mother to sit with her as she can herself manage the situation. The bleeding was completely stopped in 3 days. Now let me explain the rubrics for you. The most important rubric in this case are company, embarrassment in company, company, aversion to strangers, aversion to the presence of stool during. In the society, the act of passing stool is performed privately in a separate room, means the washroom or toilet. In the modern society, people do not use the words "I am going to pass the stool" or "I am going to toilet" because mere thought of a stool or feces may make the person feel offensive, nauseated and bad. So this gives a wrong feeling, bad feeling. So people use the word that, "Oh, I am going to the bathroom" or "I am going to the washroom." So in bathroom or washroom, one normally takes bath. But as these days people have toilet attached to the bathroom, you may not be able to know that what the person might be doing there, maybe taking bath or has gone to pass urine or to stool. So this remains a secret. Taking bath is considered a better act, is a good act, and is always appreciated by everyone as it is the sign of cleanliness. But no one says that I am going to toilet because the word toilet itself generates a sense of filthiness in our mind, while the word bathroom creates a feeling of cleanliness in our mind. So to say going for bathroom creates a feeling that the person is much more concerned about his cleanliness and hence is considered as a better person, good person. In case of Ambra Gracia, this feeling is extremely exaggerated. The word "she" is used in the rubric, that is the female sex of human beings, which naturally have more sense of shame. So we can conclude that anything which is considered very personal or any shortcoming by Embragracia, she does not want to expose it to anyone. Anything that she feels is a shortcoming in her, she wants to hide it from the sight of everyone. So she makes all the efforts to hide it. This shortcoming generates a feeling of embarrassment within her. So, with this shortcoming, she does not want to come in the sight of others. So, in this case, this girl is feeling that excessive menstrual flow is not normal. This marks her dignity. This lowers her dignity, so she wants to hide from brother and father. For this, she had been taking the help of her mother. So we can conclude that at the subtle level, Embragracia wants all her shortcomings to hide from others because she makes her feel, these things make her feel embarrassed. But she finds it very difficult to hide as the circumstances are such that it is very difficult for her to hide, meaning there is too much light in the room. Everything is visible, everything is apparent. So there are very much chances of getting her exposed to others. So her whole attention remains engaged in trying to hide her shortcomings, which this girl was doing by keeping her mother with her, or when she came to take medicine from me on the first day, she hid it from me too under the cover of her studies. She told me that she wanted to get it cured because she is not able to study because of the bleeding. So presenting herself in a noble way that she is mere concerned about her studies. So this gesture of her will be appreciated by everyone, that the girl is very sincere and she wants to study. So no one will raise any finger to. So all other symptoms that I have mentioned above are just an offshoot of the same rubric and hence are not very important, but those just corroborate the kingpin of symptom, that is company, embarrassment in company, aversion to strangers, aversion to the presence of strangers. So explanation of the word embarrassed. So embarrassed means it is a feeling of becoming uneasy and self-conscious when one finds something abnormal in her or anything that lowers her dignity in the society. Example, a lady is enjoying laughing, joking, chatting with everyone in the party, feeling herself someone dignified, beautiful person, but suddenly she discovers that her sari is spoiled with some kind of dirty material, or it is torn, or something abnormal has happened with the sari and it is being noticed by the society. Or if it get noticed by the society, they will feel her a lady of low esteem. So this feeling in her mind takes away all her enjoyment, and how her whole attention gets involved in hiding that abnormal thing. This is the feeling of embarrassment. So similar is the case with Embragracia. When she feels that any of her condition can lower her dignity, she feels embarrassed and so puts all her effort to hide it. So this is the kingpin symptom of Embragracia. Similarly, every patient may have different reason of feeling embarrassment. So embarrassed feeling is the kingpin of Embragracia. Thank you for watching the video and share it with everyone.